welcome back to my channel. It's Ms. T, and I am back with another V to the I to the D-E-O. That's right, I am back with another video. So today we are doing something a little bit different, you guys. I am in the kitchen preparing dinner. I have been working all day. My schedule is 6 to 3:30, so I am super tired. Plus, I had a dentist appointment today. Y'all see my teeth? Yeah, okay. I noticed in some of my videos that my teeth were looking just a little bit yellow, but y'all, I am so afraid of getting my teeth whitened. I didn't talk to the dentist about it, but I've talked to a lot of friends about it who've done it before, and they all talk about how sensitive their teeth are after they have the procedure done, and I was like, yeah, I think I'm just gonna, not do that until it's like necessary. Maybe I blow up here on YouTube or something like that, or somewhere else in life, something great happens and I just have to go ahead and get them whitened. But until then, I'm just gonna have to let these coffee stains and tea stains be, because that's basically all it is coffee stains and tea stains, y'all. Because I drink 1 cup of coffee when I first get up in the morning, and I probably drink 2 or 3 cups of tea throughout the day. And you guys know how that can be on your teeth. And I know some people say sip it through a straw, but y'all, I tried that, even with the metal straws. And let me tell y'all something. Them straws be getting hot when that hot liquid is coming through there. And I was tired of burning my mouth. And I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and sip this coffee and this tea the same way I've been sipping it my whole life, y'all. So that's what I'm doing. But anyway, y'all, tonight is baked potato night at my house. For those of you who don't know, I do keep a menu here at my house. Well, for most of my friends and family who watch my videos, they know about the menu. But for a lot of you who don't know me personally, I know y'all don't know about the menu, of course. But I do keep a menu at my house Monday through Sunday. I cook every day except for Fridays. On Fridays, we eat dinner out. That's a given. That's every week. My daughter can count on that. But during the week, I basically just rotate meals that we like, and do that. So tonight on the menu, we have baked potatoes with steak. We have shrimp skewers. We also have broccoli that I'm going to be steaming, y'all. And then we're going to add like some fresh shredded cheese. We'll add some, let's see, what is it? Not whipped cream. I want to say whipped cream, but it's definitely not a dollop of whipped cream. You know how they say a dollop of daisy? It's sour cream, y'all. So we'll add sour cream if we want it. We'll add butter and all that type of stuff to it too. But I just go ahead and I just kind of get this stuff together because we eat dinner a little bit early. It's 5:30 at my house. My daughter typically gets home around 5 o'clock. And when she gets home, she's hungry. She doesn't really like school lunch, but she doesn't want to take her lunch either. I've offered that, but I don't think it's cool at her school to be carrying your lunch. So she don't want to take a lunch. So I'm like, that's no problem. That's fine. I try to go ahead and have meals done for her, which means that during the day, I only eat 2 meals. I usually have breakfast and I have my dinner. And most of the time, my breakfast just consists of like a fresh fruit or egg and some type of breakfast meat like sausage or bacon or something like that. I just go ahead with that, y'all. But I do that every morning. I do that 7 days a week. On weekends when my daughter's here, I always prepare breakfast for her. We rarely ever go out for breakfast. Well, let me not say that. We rarely do go out for breakfast, but day off, y'all, I'll treat myself to breakfast, or one of my friends might call me up and say, hey, let's go have brunch. My daughter really is not a big breakfast person, y'all. She really only likes oatmeal and fruit for breakfast. That's it. She doesn't care for any breakfast meats. Can you believe that? But she doesn't like processed food. Like, she still doesn't eat hamburgers and hot dogs, y'all. She's 12 years old, but she doesn't like that. I know how unhealthy those things can be, so I don't push them off on her. My daughter is a real meal kind of girl, okay? She be liking baked potatoes and she be liking some meat. So she really enjoys vegetables too, but she just wants real food. She snacks just a little bit, very minimally. Some of my friends would say that I started her off that way because I always gave her like steamed vegetables when she was a toddler and all that type of stuff. They thought she was vegan, but she really wasn't. Y'all, she got meat. I just gave her a lot of vegetables because I really wanted her to have that taste in her mouth. So now she kind of wants me to cook every day. And I noticed that if we do go out to eat, it really doesn't hold her. So I don't even go about doing that. But one of the reasons that I do keep a menu at my house too is because it helps me to keep my budget together. And you guys, all of my friends have been asking why I don't talk about money on my channel and why I don't give advice about finances. You guys, when I started this channel, all I really wanted to do was just open my beauty boxes. That was really all that I wanted to do. But as time has progressed, I really wanted you guys to get to know me. And I realized that I could create more content if I showed you guys more about the things that were going on in my life on an everyday basis. So you guys, I guess I'm going to start talking to you guys a little bit about how I save money around here. You guys, it's just my daughter and I. I'm a single mom. It's a 2-people household. I'm cooking for a picky eater just a little bit. All right. I grew up in the South. And I grew up in Mississippi at my grandmama's house majority of the time. And you didn't get a chance to be picky. You pretty much just ate what was cooked. But for my daughter, she's at that age where she likes different things. And I'm like, okay, I'll just go ahead and provide what you like. It's just 2 of us. I'd rather that she eat my food and that she doesn't waste my food because there's nobody else here to eat it. So I'm like, all right. But I do cook to keep the budget down. It helps me to save money. It also helps us both to stay a little bit healthier and stuff like that. I mean, I just look like this. Okay, I get up in here and I cook my meals. I fry very minimally, although I do like fried fish and I do get a taste for fried chicken every now and then, and I will go ahead and put that on the stove, but I don't do that very often because I know it's unhealthy for me, and I'm trying to undo some of those things now that I'm 40, y'all. Miss T turned 40 this year. I'm trying to undo some of them things that I did back in my 20s and my early 30s. Now that I'm in my 40s and all that stuff done kind of caught up with me, y'all. So but anyway, tonight is baked potato night. Like I said, we're going to go ahead. We're going to get on into it. Y'all already saw me put them baked potatoes in the oven. I got water steaming here for the broccoli and stuff like that. So let's get that started. It's kind of one of those do-it-yourself salad bar situations after I kind of cut open the potato and stuff like that. So my daughter and I like variety of toppings. She likes some things that I don't like. But anyway, you guys, I did steam the broccoli. I actually put the shrimp in the oven, okay? When I put it on the skewers, I put a little bit of butter on top of it, and I stuck it in the oven. It only stayed in there about 10 minutes, y'all. It is so good, okay? And especially if you like cocktail shrimp. If you bake them in the oven, they taste really good cold. They're just like the cocktail shrimp that you get from like Kroger or Publix or a restaurant or something like that. So I didn't bake any extra. I actually only cooked 10 shrimp and they had the shell on. But we like them with the shell on because it's just kind of fun to peel your own shrimp or whatever, okay? And so she had 5 big ones and I had 5 big ones. My daughter did. So anyway, y'all, as you see, my daughter and I like to play games. So we had to play a couple of rounds of Uno after dinner. We always play a game of some sort after dinner. We have plenty of games, especially card games around the house. But y'all looking at the Uno champ around here today. But that's all right, because she got me yesterday, okay? Yesterday was her day. Today is my day. But anyway, y'all, I got a couple of Amazon packages here that I wanted to open with you all, okay? I ordered myself a new jacket, y'all. And it's in brown. They were saying something about this one was supposed to be very much like a blanket. And y'all, I have to go out with the dog a lot. Y'all still haven't had a chance to meet him, but y'all didn't get a chance to meet him. I have to go outside with him a lot. I was looking for something that would be really warm when I go out there with him. Plus, I like to wear a lot of browns and a lot of golds this time of year. So I was like, I don't have a brown jacket or anything to just like throw over myself when I'm going outside and doing stuff, y'all. So this is nice, y'all. Y'all see that? I'll put the link down below to it if any of you are interested. I think I ordered mine in a 2X. Let's see. I generally wear an extra large, but I'm hoping that I ordered this in a 2X because I wanted to make sure that it was going to fit over some of my bigger sweaters and stuff like that. Y'all, it's soft, super soft, inside and out. Trying to see, they don't even have a size on here where I can see it, but I'm pretty sure I ordered a 2X. We'll just go ahead and kind of try it on. I feel like there's some little stuff falling off of it. Y'all see that little fur and stuff? Yeah, I had a blue one like this from Costco's, but the dog got a hold to him. And one morning after I took him out, y'all, and he chewed the zipper pull off. I can't even get the zipper pull off of this one right now. So, yeah. So, okay. I really just want to put it on just so to show y'all the jacket, but y'all, I can't get it unzipped. Okay, there it is. It's finally unzipped. All right, let's go ahead and put it on. Let's go ahead. It is super soft, y'all. Super soft, super soft. And big enough to fit over. Yeah. Ooh, it's got pockets and stuff. Does it have an inside pocket? Y'all see all this little fur? All the little stuff that's coming off of it. I'm gonna have to take it outside, y'all, and shake it. I don't know, I might have to put it in the dryer. Let that lint trap gather some of that up. But let's see. It doesn't have any inside pockets. That's okay. My last one did have some inside pockets. I think I paid 30-something bucks for this one, but I had gotten one from Costco's before, the blue one that I had. I only paid $14.99 for that one. But I can tell this is already better quality. And once I get all of this lint off of it, hey, I'm pretty sure it's going to be great. It already feels really, really warm. The only downside is that it doesn't have a hood. I'm okay with that because I got a lot of hats that I can like put on with it, y'all. I probably should have took my apron off, but that's okay. If it fit over my apron and all that good stuff, then I know it's going to fit all over my big sweaters. Anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and keep it on. Feel like a little fur. Feel like a little fur. Let's see what else I got, y'all. So I was just ordering stuff. I love to order from Amazon because stuff just come right to the door. I don't have to go outside and look for stuff all the time. If something comes to mind, I just order from Amazon. Y'all know how it is. I'm sure the majority of you guys use Amazon too. But it looks like there is two things in here. Y'all, I'm trying to rearrange my counter. As you guys can see, I don't have a lot of counter space here. And I got a lot of stuff on my counter. So I need to rearrange it. I actually ordered a turntable, but it hasn't showed up yet to like put out some of my spices on. Because I keep most of my spices in the cabinet. But like all of this stuff, like my oils and stuff like that, they are sitting over here. And I just wanted something to organize them with. But anyway, this is from OXO Grips right here. All right, you guys. And I'll put the link down below. But it's just a sugar dispenser. And I like it because you actually can close it. Like, I don't like the ones where you just turn them over because sometimes little kids get to the table and they just turn them over. You know, it's full of sugar. They just pour the sugar out. But I've been keeping this big container of sugar, y'all, for years. I'm not going to tell y'all how many years I had it. That's my brown sugar. It's not even in a container. But like my white sugar, I've been keeping it in one of these for years. And so whenever I make a cup of coffee, I just pull this down and I get a spoonful. But I was like, man, I need to just get something realistic to keep the sugar in. So here we go. That's it. That's what we got. Then the other item that I have here, y'all, is this really cute box that says, take life with a grain of salt. So I'll put the link down to this one as well. But yes, I ordered this to hold my pink Himalayan salt because the way they sell it at my farmer's market, it's inside of these little plastic containers. And there's nothing wrong with this, but it's always sitting on my counter. And like I said, I'm trying to clean my counter up just a little bit. So I did purchase these two things to kind of help out with making my counter neat. But anyway, you guys, that is where I'm going to end it. Y'all see? This is where I'm going to end the video today. If you have not had an opportunity to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, do that now. Also, leave me a comment, you guys. I love to read you guys' comments and socialize with you all and get to know you guys. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, you guys, letting me know whether or not I should be creating more like it. All right, you guys, until next time.